30 pips running in profit at the moment, and today's trade of the day is USDJPY, and I'm going to show you in this video how to trade USDJPY like the banks.
Batman, Batman, Batman. Batman, Batman, Batman.
So this supply and demand setup is pretty simple. We have a level of demand at the bottom over here, as you can see, and how this trade played out was simply price came all the way down to test our demand level, which when it comes to supply and demand 101, whenever price tests a demand level, what we want to start looking for as smart traders in order to follow the smart money is to start looking for buying opportunities, because we know that when price is at a demand level, that the banks have successfully induced amateur retail traders, dumb traders, to already start looking for selling opportunities so that the amateur retail traders can take the opposite side of the trade for the banks. But as smart traders, we know that in order to trade successfully, we need to follow the smart money, which means that when we see that the amateur retail traders have been successfully induced to be selling, we want to get ready to trade in line with the banks and start looking for buying opportunities, which is exactly what happened here. Price came down, test the demand level, and skibbity pap, pull the trigger, take the buy, and as you can see, trade is running already 30 pips in profit with our stop loss at break even. So what we want to be looking for now is whenever we trade like the banks and follow the smart money, we want to trade using supply and demand. So we trade from our demand level up to our supply level, which is the next level we want to be looking for is where is price going to go and test our next level of supply. So what we do here is we go to the 4-hour time frame to identify our key levels of supply and demand, which let me start with the demand level for those of you who do have my free video training. Demand level is over here where we can see price pushed up with high volume in this area over there. Obviously the level has already been specifically drawn on 15-minute time frame, but if we now focus on the supply level, the next level we want to look for where price is pushing down with high volume is this level all the way up here. So what we do is once we identify our most recent supply and demand levels, what we then do is we go to the 15-minute time frame so that we can draw these levels with accuracy. So 15-minute time frame, we look here, pretty simple. We can see here, if we zoom out a bit, we can see price pushing down with high volume, okay, which this is going to be our supply level that we're looking for. As well as if we also look, we can see some other high volume clues that the banks have left for us for other potential levels. So here we've got another level over here where price pushed down with high volume, so that is another level over there. So we pretty much got ourselves a supply zone setting up over there. And then we did have another level over there, but that's pretty much in the same level. So what we have now is we have a supply level setting up over there, and actually there's another clue over here where price pushed down with high volume. So yeah, we've got like a supply zone setting up over here, which we know now when price comes up and tests this level we want to start looking to sell, okay, or if we're already in long positions, we want to start looking at taking some profits off the table. So here we've got price coming up from the demand level. The next highly likely level to get tested over here is our supply level, where obviously we can start to look for selling opportunities over there. So now that we're in the trade is running, stop loss is at break even. All we got to do is be patient, let the price action play out, and once price comes and tests the supply level, then we can start looking to sell there, while the amateur retail traders will obviously be looking to buy. And also if we go to the demand level, so you guys can see exactly where I identified the demand level for those that do have my free video training. And if you want to know how I draw my supply and demand levels like a smart trader in 4 easy steps, click the link in the description. So as we can see at demand level, price pushing up with high volume, which is this the same level that price came back and tested with perfection. Okay, and it's supply and demand 101.
Aweh Millionaire. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell.
Batman, Batman, Batman.